Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make perfect brownie, which will just melt in your mouth. Follow each and every step without skipping any part and get this right. So let's get started. In order to make a brownie, I have taken 350 grams of dark chocolate. What you have to do is you have to cut in small dice or small cubes. Size really doesn't matter. You can even grate with a grater. I'm just going to melt this. So once you cut the chocolate, keep it in a bowl and leave it aside. Meanwhile, what you have to do is take walnuts. I've taken 100 grams of walnuts, chop in small pieces and keep it aside. So guys, now let's melt the chocolate. What you have to do is do not keep directly on the flame, as the chocolate is going to get burned and you will have bitter taste. So what you have to do is, as you have seen, I've kept a pan with water at the bottom and just place the glass bowl on top of that. So add 150 grams of butter in that and keep it on a very low flame. Guys, note, it is very important that there should not be any condensation in this. There are no water drip. So it should be on very slow flame and let it melt. So once you melt, check this out. Guys, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. So now let's start with the mixing part. In a bowl, take sugar 200 grams. Add 4 eggs. Now what you have to keep in mind that do not whisk it till it becomes frothy. You just have to mix it till the sugar is slightly dissolved. This is very important, guys. Check this. Now what you have to do is you have to add chocolate, which we melt with butter. Mix it. Add flour 120 grams. I've already sieved and kept. Cocoa powder 30 grams. Orange zest to give you a better flavor, and salt is just to taste. Vanilla essence is half a teaspoon. Now with the rubber spatula, just fold the mixture. Check this out. This is how it should be. Now this mixture is ready. Look at the consistency, how lovely it looks. Now last you have to add walnuts, which we have chopped and kept earlier. So this is the reason why your mise en place, everything should be ready in advance. That's the reason why I've chopped and kept earlier. So keep a grease mold ready or using a pan liner or butter paper. Add the mixture in the mold. But before this, keep the oven preheat at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and this will go in the oven for 40 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. So once it is ready, what you have to do is just switch off the oven and let it be inside only. Now I have removed it out. Let's check out this. Look at the texture. Look at the crust on top. This is how brownie is made. Guys, follow each and every step and get this recipe right. You can make this at home and you all will enjoy this. Look at the nuts. You can see chopped walnuts. Brownie, when you put it in the mouth, it just should melt in your mouth. This is how brownie is made. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Please watch the video carefully and get this right. Thanks for watching and God bless you all. Thank you very much.